Today I'm going to build an AI agent that acts as my own personal research assistant here inside of N8N. First I'm going to hit add step and then trigger manually. Next I'm going to hit this plus sign, AI, and then AI agent. Hit define below for my system message. Then I'm going to pick out the AI model that I want to use for the brain of my AI agent. And I'm going to use ChatGPT's GPT 4.1 mini for speed. Next, I'm going to click my tools that I want to add to it. First, I'm going to add SERP API, which is essentially a Google search that is going to allow my AI agent to search the internet. Then next, I'm going to hit my Gmail tool, which is going to allow my AI agent to send emails on my behalf. I'm going to have it send to my email address here. And I'm also going to click this magic button on the right side to allow my AI agent to decide what the subject and the message is going to be. Now I'm going to define the role and objective for my AI agent. So its role is that it's a research assistant that looks up AI news for me every day. And its objective, research the latest AI news utilizing the SERP API tool that I gave it access to. And I wanted to find me the latest AI news from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and X, and then send me an email utilizing the Gmail tool that I gave it access to with a summary of all that news. Now I'm going to hit execute workflow and see what it does. Okay, so it looks like I just got my email from my AI agent, and I can see that it's got news from OpenAI saying they just acquired a company, and some more news from Anthropic saying they just did a deal with Google to use their AI chips. And it looks like that information is pretty cool and useful. So now that I see that this works, I'm going to go back into N8N and change this from a manual process to an automatic one. So I'm going to click this trash can on top of this, clicking to execute workflow. Then I'm going to hit this plus sign and hit on the schedule. And now I can set the time that I want my AI agent to do research and send me an email. So I'm going to have it send me the email every day at 7 a.m. and connect it and save. Now, once I turn this active right here, this is going to send me this research email every single day at 7 o'clock. So pretty cool stuff. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want to learn more, you can follow me on here or join my school community, which is free. So have a nice night.